Online communities are the heart of customer engagement, but as your community grows, moderating discussions and ensuring everyone feels heard becomes a monumental task. Unanswered threads lead to frustrated customers, which leads to the creation of support tickets, incurring costs to the company. Introducing SearchUnify's Community Helper, the AI-powered solution that transforms your online community into a 24/7 hub of engagement. Community Helper instantly responds to new threads with personalized, sentiment-aware messages. Community Helper also routes the threads to the relevant community champions so that they can contribute to resolutions with helpful information. In addition to the information provided by the Community Helper, if threads are not tagged and indexed, it will be difficult for users to identify relevant information, which might lead to the creation of duplicate threads. Community Helper overcomes this by automatically tagging and indexing threads, ensuring users find relevant information quickly and easily. Community Helper also helps with merging duplicate threads, so the community is not cluttered. The results speak for themselves. A 35% increase in community engagement, a 26% boost in self-service resolution, and a 67% surge in first response generation, all while reducing moderation effort by 32%. Want to learn more about how SearchUnify Community Helper can transform your community? Visit our website or sign up for a demo today.